Start by cutting 100 grams of potato into bite-sized pieces. Cut 100 grams of sprouts into quarters. Add everything to a bowl with 4 tablespoons of water. Cover and microwave on high for 10 minutes. Crush the potato with a fork. Add salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon of dried spices. Add 100 grams of grated cheese, a splash of milk, and mix everything together. Unroll 1 sheet of puff pastry and spread cranberry jam down the centre third. Cut finger-sized strips diagonally down the edges. Add the filling on top of the cranberry sauce. Lift the pastry strips over the filling, alternating from one side to the other and sticking them down as you go. Seal up all the pastry, lift onto a baking tray, brush with milk. Bake at 190 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes until golden brown.